Sounds American channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the American vowel sound O, as in the word go. You can also hear these sounds in words like so, snow, coat, or though. We'll be using a special phonetic symbol, O, for this sound. Most non-native English speakers easily distinguish the O sound, but some distort in speech. Read this phrase aloud. A ghost hopes for a home. If you feel you may have mispronounced this vowel sound, keep watching to learn how to fix it. Okay, to pronounce the O sound, you should focus on the correct position of your jaw, lips, and tongue. Round your lips and make them tense. Then pull them in a tighter circle. Pull your tongue back and tense it. Remember, the O is a tense sound, so your lips and tongue should be very tense. Your jaw should be partially lowered. Let's try saying it. O, O, O. Now, let's practice this sound in some words. You'll see a word on a screen and hear its pronunciation like this. Blow. You'll have a few seconds to pronounce the words if you want to. Let's begin. Boast. Boat. Bold. Bolt. Bone. Both. Bowl. Broke. Choose. Close. Clothes. Coach. Coal. Coast. Coat. Cold. Colt. Comb. Crow. Don't. Dope. Dough. Doze. Drove. Euro. Float. Flow. Foam. Fold. You're done. Congratulations. By the way, the O sound is most often represented by the letter O. So when you hear the sound, you may assume that it should be written in the O letters. More on spellings. The O sound is written as the letter O in 80% of cases. The remaining 20% are split between the following combination of letters. OW as in the word snow, OA as in the word coat, OU as in the word though, and EW is as in the word so.